Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your camping experience, literally, a camping hammock might be just what you need. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly relaxing, hammocks are a great alternative to traditional tents for both solo backpackers and casual campers alike. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best hammocks for camping that combine comfort, durability, and easy setup. Whether you're hanging between trees in the backcountry or chilling at a local campground, we've got a hammock here to fit your needs and style. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices, features, and reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from our outdoor gear series. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. FIRINER Camping Hammock. The hammock with mosquito net is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. This one-piece design, crafted from durable 210T taffeta nylon, supports up to 440 pounds and resists tears, ensuring long-lasting comfort. The small, dense mesh net effectively blocks mosquitoes, but you can flip it downside for net-free lounging. The upgraded 122x 122-inch tarp provides full coverage in sun or rain, doubling as a tent or picnic mat. Weighing little and folding into a compact stuffed sack, it's perfect for backpacking, with space for phones or water bottles. Setup is a breeze with automatic quick-open design, metal carabiners, and 102-inch tree straps. No knots needed. It's versatile, portable, and ideal for camping or casual relaxation. Just avoid sharp objects to protect the fabric. For comfort, protection, and ease, this hammock delivers exceptional value. A must-have for any outdoor adventure. Highly recommended. Number 4. Qevooon Camping Hammock. The breathable mosquito net hammock is a camper's dream. Crafted from heavy-duty 210T parachute nylon, this sturdy hammock supports up to 500 pounds with triple-stitched seams for anti-fraying and tear resistance. The high-density, breathable mesh net, connected by quality zippers, keeps bugs at bay while ensuring ventilation. Its 2-in-1 reversible design lets you flip the net for a cozy, net-free hammock in seconds. Measuring 114 by 57 inches, it folds into a compact 9x 5-inch sack, weighing just 2.5 pounds for easy portability. Setup is a breeze with 2 20-foot tree straps, carabiners, elastic ropes, and sand pegs, ready in a minute. Perfect for camping, hiking, or solo adventures, it's a thoughtful gift. The included safety guide offers extra tips. With top-notch quality and responsive customer service, this hammock delivers comfort and reliability. A fantastic addition to any outdoor gear collection. Highly recommended. Number 3. G4 Free Large Camping Hammock. The pop-up mosquito net hammock is a fantastic choice for outdoor adventurers. Made from durable 70D nylon, this parachute hammock supports up to 440 pounds and measures 114 by 57 inches, offering a soft, tear-resistant surface for ultimate comfort. The pop-up design, paired with thick tree straps and solid carabiners, ensures quick, hassle-free setup. Its high-density mosquito net, easily zipped, shields you from bugs, while 2 side shades block sun or moonlight for better sleep. The inner pocket conveniently stores phones, glasses, or wallets. Want a regular hammock? Simply unzip the net, tuck it into the pocket, and relax. No poles or damage required. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or backyard lounging. With a smooth zipper and sturdy build, this hammock is a versatile, reliable companion for any outdoor escape. A must-have for nature lovers. Highly recommended. Number 2. Covacure Camping Hammock. The Covacure Camping Hammock is a top-tier choice for outdoor lovers. Crafted from 210T parachute nylon, this tear-resistant, breathable, and quick-drying hammock supports an impressive 772 pounds, perfect for family adventures. Measuring 9.5 by 4.6 feet, it includes 2 aluminum sand pegs, 2 iron carabiners, and 9.8-foot nylon straps with 6 adjustable loops for sturdy, easy setup in minutes. The durable mosquito net, with small holes for superior bug protection, stores neatly with a single rope and hook system, while an inner bag holds small items like phones. At just 1.93 pounds, it packs into a compact stuffed sack, ideal for camping, hiking, or backpacking. Its lightweight design and portability make it a go-to for any adventure. Backed by a free replacement for defects and responsive customer service, Covacure ensures satisfaction. Comfortable, reliable, and budget-friendly, this hammock is a must-have. Highly recommended. Number 1. Sunyear Camping Hammock. The Sunyear Camping Hammock is a true outdoor gem. Crafted from premium 210T parachute nylon, this lightweight, tear-resistant hammock supports heavy-duty use, perfect for solo camping, hiking, or backpacking. Its high-density mosquito net, twice as dense as competitors, ensures bug-free sleep and flips easily for use as a relaxing tree hammock. Measuring 9.5 by 4.6 feet, it packs into a compact pouch with all tools included, 2 10-feet straps with 32 adjustment loops, 2 solid steel carabiners, and 2 net ropes, saving you over $22. Setup is quick and knot-free, ideal for adventurers. Weighing just under 2 pounds, it's a breeze to carry. Whether lounging or sleeping under the stars, it delivers comfort and durability. Sunyear's 100% satisfaction guarantee and stellar customer service seal the deal. For quality, portability, and value, this hammock is a camping must-have. Highly recommended. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.